Action.
Hi guys, I'm today at Rainbow Mall, and right now I just got to the paper. I'm so down to open it, so let's go.
Tell them about where they're positioned in to see if it's a rare one.
At the left corner, one under. Oh, this is hard to open. Okay, that's a little bit of some rubbish, but let's keep on peeling.
So we're hoping it's going to be a rare one.
If not, that's fine.
If not, it doesn't matter.
But I'm very sure it's going to.
Do you want a hand? Got this? Do you want me to help? It's a tricky little sucker. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Got it started.
Haven't even got any.
Alright, moment of truth.
Oh, Queen of the Castle!
So we've got Queen of the Castle.
I really need you to help me right now.
Have you got this? Do you know which one it is?
No.
You don't?
It's either Madame Queen or okay, I'll tell you the ones I can get. I can get Madame Queen, Go Queen, or I can get Independent Queen or Boss Queen, but I've already got her, so yeah. Oh my god, oh my god,
Get both, go slow and rip it down.
I can't.
You're too excited.
Right there. That's a gold, that's a gold, that's a gold.
Does that mean rare?
Yep.
That means rare?
That means rare. Yep. That means rare. Oh my god. Oh my god. Rare.
Can I help you?
Rare.
Rip it slowly together.
Okay. See, that's gold, everybody. Oh my god. Okay. Here are the stickers. Oh, I lost the thing.
I'll get one little sticker. Here, I'll put it on for you.
Yeah.
You got it?
Thank you. Okay, I'm out. Can I get this down?
Here, I get it for you.
It's Queen of the Castle.
Right, can you hold this?
Queen of the
Yeah, wait,
Castle.
can you hold this? Maybe film me.
There's
Okay,
that.
here we go. All you need to do is pull slowly.
Yep, that's what I'm going to do. You don't really see my dad that often.
No, I'm just the man behind the camera.
Yeah, he's always behind the camera. You want to say hi to them? You want to say hi to them? Oh no, it's my tattoo ring.
Hello. What is it? No, what?
Oh, here's my tattoo ring.
There's the tattoo ring.
Okay, there are the instructions. I don't need those instructions, baby.
Tattoo ring, which is a crown.
Okay.
And the stickers.
They're just show them everything. Okay,
A couple of winking, snotting, snorting, embarrassed, crying, and question mark.
It's Go Queen! It's Go Queen! It's Go Queen!
What is it?
It's Go Queen!
Oh my god.
I know. I'm taking notes off actually.
Are you too excited?
Yes, it's Go Queen. I really want her.
You definitely know it is?
Yes. Those glasses come with her.
Wow. There, you got all of it.
I'll just get Go-Go Queen out of the packet so I can definitely show you Go-Go Queen in real life. There you have it.
Oh my god, she's so cute.
I
It's Go-Go Queen. Alright, shall we say goodbye to everybody?
Yep, bye.
Show me Go-Go Queen one more time.
She's about to go close, so we're going to open it
Say,
right
and say,
now.
Hunter, say thank you for watching Hunter TV.
Thanks for watching Hunter TV. Bye bye.